I'm making sweet, crunchy, pickled cucumbers. So easy to make and a great accompaniment. And here's me eating some. Spot on. Okay, what you need is some cucumbers. Wash them and chop them up. I'm topping table first, and here's me chopping some. Chop, chop, chop. And that's what it looks like. Cool knife I have here. And there's them all chopped. Now to make the brine. 1 cup of sugar. You need 3.5 cups of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, and some cracked pepper. I also adding some nutmeg and cayenne pepper. So here I'm adding all the ingredients. Now you just bring it to a boil to dissolve the sugar. Pour it in a jug so you don't get the brine everywhere. Add the cucumbers to the jar, add the brine and let it sit to cool, and enjoy, guys.